Hi guys, we're playing the Nature Obby. So yeah, this is a game. This is my friend's game. So if you enjoy, please play it. Also, the other save file got corrupted, so I'm right now on the second stage. First stage is pretty simple. Anyways, so basically these mushrooms are deadly, so that's why I'm avoiding them. If you were wondering. Anyways, this is infected grass. Try not to touch it. The walls have been infected by the remains of a sand mushroom. Let's try not to touch the grass. Bruh, I have to redo this whole thing now. Well, let's do it. Alright. Ooh, my Scrooge McDuck hat almost skimmed it. Alright, I will not touch the grass. Oh my! Alright. Whatever. When it apparently this game would be private right now because private for friends. And yes, now we're back here with the deadly grass, and we're not back there. I don't know. I don't have a video editor on my computer, so well, bad for you. You gotta watch this whole thing. Alright. Anyways. Alright, so this is infected grass, and the walls have been infected by the remains of a sand mushroom. There's no walls. Also, there's a sand mushroom. I love the hitboxes. I'm a big fan of the hitboxes. Ooh. Whatever. I don't remember what I was gonna say. Anyways, we have to not die due to the sad mushrooms. The sad mushrooms making me sad. I'm not mad. You're mad. No. I'm not a big fan of these poisonous mushrooms. I really don't like the insta-kill. But, whatever. I think this is kind of a cheat. I don't think you're supposed to do it. But it's basically practically impossible to do it the normal way. So I'm calling this a not very cheat. This is not a cheat. If you can't do it the non-cheaty way. I don't like going on shift lock for no reason. But I have to. Ooh. Alright, my eye was kind of itchy. I don't want to touch that. Alright, let's try again. Should have been called the Mushroom Obby. Why is it called the Nature Obby? Oh, my friend joined. Alright. Let's just finish this game. Alright, we're back to this part. This pro gamer. I'm sad. I am sad. They're ancient. These ancient things are making me sad. Bruh. Can I cheese it? No, I can't cheese it. Can I cheese it this way? Nope. Can I cheese it this way though? I just cheesed the whole thing. I am a god gamer. God gamer. I'm a complete god gamer. I am like the god. I'm just the god gamer. I think it was patched. I'm a sad gamer because my cheese was patched. Oh, that was not cool. I just wanted to cheese. Not cool, bro. Ooh, I'm cheating it again, bruh. I'm flying. Look at this invisible barrier. Ooh, that was close. I think my friend has to fix that. Yeah, I'm not gonna find any more cheeses. Just for my friend's sake. But I'm gonna use the cheeses. For my sake. Obviously. I need the honest living. And the cheesy living. I am living the cheese life. Alright, let's get back here. And this is infected grass. Oh no, infected grass. I don't want to jump off this edge. Why? Why do you have to do this to me? Our Roblox character is not very happy. Alright. Ah! Alright. I want to jump off the cliff. Why does my friend have to make this so hard? Why? Why do you have to make it so hard? I found a cheese and I'm probably gonna not use the cheese again. Bruh, I can't cheese this. Bruh, 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 bruh. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. Cheese achieved. Alright. Dude, that stupid jump. Why? 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 Why do you have to be like this? Momentum? Bruh. I wish the thing just did damage, not just instantly kill you. I'm not a fan of instantly dying. I think that one's broken. Also, I hate these hitboxes. These hitboxes are kind of trash. Actually, it's probably my sake and not my friend's sake. But you know, you should. Wait, everyone hates this. Oh, I did it! I'm a pro gamer. Gamer god. I'm just a gamer god. Sad city, sad city, sad city. There's a cheat that nobody else knows. I guess you guys know now. There's a sewer system. You smell. So that side's blocked. I tried it. I want to show you the sad mushrooms, but I don't want to die because I'm kind of paranoid. Last time I tried this game, I kept dying, and I was not a fan of dying. But yeah, we beat it! Finally! And let's go to Candyland. Woo! This is my favorite stage. It's a lot of spinning lollipops and hyper mushrooms. I love these hyper mushrooms. And Mush Pop Forest. This game reminds me like Vesteria or something. A lot of mushrooms. Also, I'm not a big fan of walking the whole way. So can we have like a checkpoint like at here? So I don't have to walk the whole way just to get to the stupid Mush Pop Forest. I mean, it's not that stupid. I like it. My favorite level. Out of 3 other levels, but you know. I read this level is still in testing, so I don't think it's finished. I like the Twilight obby my friend made because I like the physics. I like this obby more because of the bouncing and physics, you know. So this is why Nature Obby's my favorite one of the saga, because I'm gonna make more videos on these games. This is probably the easiest one. The other one's really hard. Ooh, these are like slippery things. I think they're slippery. What? Wait. I think that's broken. Here. Actually, I don't need to do that. I was gonna message my friend, but whatever. Well, I guess that's it. But in the next video, we're gonna play the Twilight obby. It's similar to this, but less physics, but still fun. So the video's practically over right now. So yeah, see ya.